know, the kind where you don't have a second to yourself, where you've been running around all day, and now finally you think you have a minute to breathe. But wait, what's that you hear? Is it the sink? Is it the toilet? You know what? It doesn't even matter, because right in front of your very eyes, your bathroom is being filled up with water. You are in a state of panic. You run to the phone, grab it, and call your husband. But he is at work, he's in his office, he has his own headaches, he isn't about to deal with this stuff. So then, you get to your computer. Which plumber do I call now, you think? Well, of course you need a plumber. You need a plumber who is reliable, trustworthy, qualified, competent, reasonably priced, and of course, above all, prompt. If you are in a similar situation, then click on the contact information below and get the only plumber you will ever need. Call now.